So there's...
Oh my gosh, there's a lot.
A bicycle built for two. And then... there's Battle Hymn of the Republic. Then Dixie. 1812 Overture. For he's the then there's Rare Jaka. Then Give My Regards to Broadway. Then Green Sleeves. Then The Gang's All Here. Then the Hallelujah Chorus. Then Happy Birthday. Then Hello My Baby. Then Home Sweet Home. Oh wait. Yeah. Home Sweet Home. Then, oh wait, maybe this one's that. No? Oh, right. This one is How Dry Am I? Okay, now for the second list. In the good old summertime.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, then, oh right, 5C. This is In the Good Old Summertime. Then I already did I've been working on the railroad. Then, Jingle Bells. Then, La Cucaracha. Yes. And, oh dear, what can the matter be?
Who would choose this?
Then, Oh Tannenbaum. Then, there's,
This is gonna be our longest video yet.
then there's Shave and a Haircut. Let's hear that one again. Then there's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
No, it's not.
And then
Well, it's
there's,
the same thing, I guess.
and then there's Westminster Chimes, 4-note. Then there's Yankee Doodle.
Oh my gosh. That's it.
And then that's all.
Okay.
That's our doorbell.